In this video, I'll be showing you how to view browsing history on Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it very easy regardless of what you're using, whether you're on a PC, phone, or anything like that. So what you want to do is open up your Google Chrome, and then if I just go ahead and press Control H, I'm going to be brought over to my history. This is going to show all my different history. I can scroll down by date, or I can go by group, or I can even search my history if I want to go ahead and do that as well. And if you don't know how to get there, like all you want to do is press these three little dots, then go over to your settings, and you're going to see a lot of different options here. But if I go over to privacy security, you're going to see delete browsing data. And this doesn't actually show you your history. So if you go ahead and press Control H, that's going to show you your history instantly, just like so. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.